If English disappears from your head the moment you want to speak, this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Learn English with Gifty. See, most English learners don't have a vocabulary problem. They have a thinking problem. You think in your language first, translate in your head, then freeze. See, that delay is why speaking feels really hard. In this video, I'll show you daily exercises that retrain your brain to think in English. Step by step, of course. No pressure, no complex grammar, just real practical habits you can start today. So stay with me because the first exercise will give you results in minutes. Let's start with a quick win. Look around you right now. In your head, say simple English words. For example, this is a table. That is my phone. I'm sitting on a chair. Now, don't translate, don't correct yourself. This exercise immediately switches your brain into English mode. Do this for just 2 minutes a day. So far, remember this. Thinking in English starts with simple words, not perfect sentences. Now, let's go deeper. Start describing what you're doing. You can do it silently or out loud. For example, I'm waking up, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm checking my phone. Now, your brain learns English faster when it connects words to action. Even repetition is progress. Don't worry about repetition. Quick recap. Talk about your daily actions in English. This builds automatic thinking. Next, reduce your thoughts to one short sentence. It can be, I feel tired today. This music is nice. I need to focus. Look, if your sentence feels too complex, simplify it. Simple English is also fluent English. Short sentences help your brain think faster in English. Now, activate question mode. Ask yourself simple questions in English. What am I doing? What do I want right now? Why am I tired? When you ask questions in English, your brain responds in English. This is a very powerful habit. Asking questions train your brain to stay in English longer. This exercise feels uncomfortable, but trust me, it works. Now, stand in front of a mirror and speak. I know. Just trust me on this. You can say, how are you today? I'm learning English and I'm improving every day. You're training confidence and speed at the same time. Just so you know, fluency grows when confidence grows. Another thing is this. Most learners wait until they can express their feelings perfectly. No, don't do that. Use simple English for real emotions. I don't like this. This makes me happy. I feel confused. I'm tired. This is how English becomes natural, as simple as ABC. Okay, let's recap. Name what you see, talk about your actions, think in short sentences, ask questions, and finally, good, speak in the mirror. 10 to 15 minutes of this exercise every day is enough. You are not bad in English, trust me. You were just taught the wrong thinking method. If this video helped you, like it so YouTube shows it to more learners. Also, please subscribe for clear, practical English lessons. And comment below. I'll think in English. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!